Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update HeyGen automation for sales demo video creation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update HeyGen automation for sales demo video creation, begin by logging into your HeyGen account. Navigate to the dashboard once you are logged in. Locate the automation section in the menu. Click on automation to access existing settings. Identify the automation preset you wish to update. Select the preset by clicking on it. Review the current settings and parameters to ensure clarity. Make necessary adjustments to the video content options. Modify the script as needed for your sales demo. Ensure that the tone and messaging align with your brand voice. Update any visuals or assets associated with the demo video. Replace outdated images or graphics with fresh content. Check the audio settings to verify that they are accurate. Adjust background music or voiceover as necessary. Test the updated automation to confirm that it functions correctly. Review the video once generated to ensure quality. Make any final adjustments based on the test results. Once satisfied with your updates, finalize the automation settings. Now your HeyGen automation is ready for sales demo video creation. Begin utilizing your updated automation for future video projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.